Here it is. What's up, guys? That Weather Kid here, and today I'm doing more storm chasing. Now, last night we got about an inch of rain, but there are still huge clouds out there. Like that huge one. I've also got a new storm chasing equipment, which is this drone where I can fly up into the air and get aerial shots of these clouds. Guys, I just moved spots to try to see the storm better, and I definitely... You can see the big top right there. You can see how dark it is, too. Basically, just everything about it. Guys, I just made it to my park, and it's time to launch the drone. Here goes the drone. So this drone video started off good. I was checking out so many clouds like these, and then I was just turning around to see more and more and more. And I even got a beautiful view of the New York City skyline. But at this moment, I lost control of the drone. I was trying to send it back to where I was, but it kept on moving more. All the way until the video feed cut out and I lost the drone. Alright guys, we got bad news. My drone is gone now. I don't know where it went. There was no signal at one point and then it just fell. I've been looking for the past 20 minutes and I can't find it, so yeah. Sure, I'm gonna find it soon, but I'm just gonna resume the storm chase until then. Alright, so there's more dark clouds over there. Yeah, they're really dark. They look like they could produce thunderstorms. I'm not too sure, but yeah. And then all the way out there are way more thunderstorms too. Very dark clouds over there. Alright guys, after a little more searching, I still cannot find it, so we might have to just accept that it's gone. On the bright side though, I'm surrounded by thunderstorms. As you can see, all of the dark clouds all around me. Hey guys, the clouds are getting closer and I am planning to intercept this right now. Those are the other storm clouds. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the clouds are moving fast towards me. And it has also just blocked out the sun. So it is coming closer. Getting ready to intercept. To move spots, but the intercept is lining up even more. The thing I would like to point out is from the rain last night, this creek is flooding. It is usually very dry, but it has a lot of flowing water, and this is not very normal. Here it is. See the beautiful formations on this cloud. Guys, we are halfway through intercepting this cloud. The winds are picking up a lot. Yeah. It seems like this cloud will not cause any rain, but it's still an amazing sight to see. As you can see, this is a huge cloud storm system. I just intercepted that, and it's not ready to rain yet, but it's definitely going to strengthen and probably rain. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I was going to try to find the drone. I can't. I don't know why it's not there. I have no idea where it went, but hopefully I can get another drone in the future. But yeah, well, today's a good storm chasing day, and That Weather Kid out. Even though I lost the drone, I am planning to get a new one so I can get even better shots with even better quality. This was definitely an experience to learn from and how to handle the drone way better. Even though I lost the drone, I still got amazing shots of these clouds and amazing aerial views. I would just like to say one final thing, which is thank you so much for all the support. You guys got me from 50 subscribers to 400 in just 7 days. So thank you so much as we go on to the road to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. That Weather Kid, out.